Hello, I'm Patrick Hawkins, Mayor of Tellico Plains. I am from Tellico Plains, born and raised here, and on March 2nd, 2012 at approximately 1:40 p.m., the National Weather Service confirmed that an EF2 tornado touched down in the heart of our downtown area, traveled 14 miles and affected our rural area of the town here also. The path was 400 yards wide. The tornado's impact affected roughly 200 homes in the downtown area and the surrounding region, and over 65 homes were completely destroyed. That includes some small businesses. 14 families were displaced, but with the help of Red Cross and local volunteers, we got those families placed in some temporary housing.
And when she come out of the basement, we took about 5 or 6 steps to the front of the car, and I heard the limbs of the trees breaking here on this side of it here coming across 68. The wind was, and it wasn't just a hard wind and then it hit. It hit all at once. Just no warning. It wasn't just a hard wind that got stronger. It just hit all at once. When I heard the trees breaking, I told Diane Moss, let's get in the house, get in the closet. And we got in, and about a minute and a half, the house shook, and I stood and tried to watch a little bit, and about a minute and a half, it was over. And I come out and seen all the destruction.
Then it was just sort of went from you right on through the town of Tellico?
It went right from, when it crossed 68 here, it went diagonally, like across Tellico in that direction. The South Babcock, you see the construction over there, and went down.
Yeah.
And went into the KOA and up 360, and on in through the mountains into the Cherokee National Forest. We was really fortunate.
Yeah.
I believe that when it crossed our house here, I think it dipped and it hit in over there on them houses. I think it really the first time it touched down, and it tore through there.
The houses straight ahead there.
Yeah, dipped right into Tellico then.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, she was inside when the trailer flipped.
You know her name?
Linda Freeman.
Linda Freeman? And it flipped over, and then what? She drug
crawled out from under the couch and got out of the trailer.
Golly, lucky that, yeah, very lucky, yeah. The KOA campground in Tellico Plains, Tennessee, as you can see, is totally wiped out. I don't know if you heard about this, but when the TDS building was losing its roof, the guys come out of the building over there and got down here in the grease pit. And then a lot of the building, the roof of it left the building. Yeah, what's your name?
My name's Steve.
Hey, Steve, what happened here at the TDS building?
Well, we had a grease pit over here, and when the storm hit, 4 of our guys jumped in it. And this retaining wall right there used to be, it fell back towards the other building.
Fell to the left?
Fell to the left instead of falling to the right, which probably saved those guys' life that were in the pit at the time.
Yeah, yeah. This is near Tellico Plains.
I know that we're from Tennessee and this is a volunteer state, and my heart goes out in appreciation to all the volunteers that have come in and not asked for any pay. They just come in out of the goodness of their heart to volunteer to help in the relief effort, and I can't say thank you enough. Also to the ones that have come from out of the state. We've had several to come out of the state to help with the volunteer efforts. I thank you as well.